Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be looking at something very important which I've been recently looking into. So as we know, this channel is all about making money online simplified wherever you are worldwide. So the ways that I share to make money online on this channel, you can be very sure that it can work for you wherever you are in the world. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a Telegram bot that I'm using to trade Bitcoin every single day, making profits on the difference in prices that are happening each and every single day. Before we dive into the video, I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button, turn notifications, comment, like the video. Also check out the Telegram channel that we got down below. That way I can help you one-on-one if you got any questions or you need help with anything. So anyways, without wasting much of your time, in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you this Shortbit bot. So I recently made a video about this, I think a couple of weeks ago. So in that video I was sharing with you the bonus that Shortbit bot was giving out. So now the bonus is actually out. They no longer give it out to new users anymore, but they have a demo account which I'm also going to be showing you later on in this video. But I want to focus on this aspect that right now I just deposited, as you can see right there. I deposited some Bitcoin right there, 0.006 Bitcoin, just to try out the app, actually to trade with a real account, because I was trading in demo last week. So now I've moved into back into with my own funds, because the first withdrawal that I made were using the bonus that I got from Shortbit bot when they were still giving out bonuses. And then today I decided to go in with 0.006 BTC, because I see Bitcoin is back to that price where it's averaging going up once again. So basically what I want to focus on today is just to show you the process and how it goes. So first, I'm just going to show you this in my account, right? All you have to do is you have to, when you start with the bot, with the link down below, you open the bot, and then basically what you want to do is with the menu right here, as you can see, this is the menu that will be right there. So what you want to do is come all the way, so when you just open the bot, that menu will be right there. It'll be a bit different, because as you can see, this is the menu that it will look, how it will look like. So basically you can see this is my balance that I just deposited, but I actually wanted to show you when I actually deposited this amount. So let me just scroll up a little bit more. Okay, so those are where my previous trades. Okay, right here. So basically all you have to do is that when you get your balance, as you can see, that was a zero. I think that was after my last withdrawal, so I withdraw everything that was in there. Then all you have to do is to say to make a deposit using this button. They need to give you this option right here, right? And then they'll send you the key code, the address. Long click on that, copy it, and then once you copy it, you take it to your blockchain account. I don't know what accounts are you using, but I personally prefer blockchain for my cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and LTC. So basically I'm just going to show you the transaction that I made. Let me quickly log in right here. So basically you just copy the link, and then you bring it to this. Oh, damn it. What? Wow. Okay, so basically I cannot record blockchain screen for some reason. But anyways, okay, let's move on to the next part. So I can actually record that. But anyways, as you saw, I made the deposit, and then I just confirmed that I made the deposit, and then it took some couple hours. It sent me a message confirming that it sold the money. So it's just waiting for blockchain to confirm. So about 3 confirmations before it can reflect on my account. So later on I received these messages waiting. Okay, I was just refreshing, and then right now they sent me confirmation that my BTC was now confirmed that it was ready for trade. So I just canceled that because I'm not going to trade now. I'm just still waiting for the Bitcoin to go down a little bit more, because I'm with the strategy that I'm using, that I'm going to share with you. If you want to learn it, the link is down below. So right now I think they have pre-launch phase, so they're selling the course at like $9 or something, $9 something, just below $10. So that's the course that I'm going through, and using those strategies to trade Bitcoin, forex, and stock market. So basically what I do, so I wanted to show you, as you saw, so this is the part that I deposited, right? Now I want to switch to my demo to show you the profits that I recently made. So if you go to my Telegram, where I just keep, so this one is like the extra one, Telegram account. So this is like the last week profits. So just to confirm with you, as you can see, this is 1.2 BTC that's balanced right now, and then with this on demo now. So I just want to show you that how much I actually started with on demo. So when you open a demo account, you basically get 0.5 BTC. Now looking at my account right here, you can see that I have made 1.2. That's almost 0.7 BTC, just above 0.7 BTC in profits in a week using this strategy. If you want to learn the strategy, I think I'm going to release another video explaining the whole strategy on this weekend or somewhere next week. So just subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so that you don't miss that video where I just fully explain the whole structure of the strategy. But if you want to learn in depth and actually learn how I learned it and like really go in depth step by step, then that link is going to be down below. It's just less than $10 right now to get it before the prices go up. So basically how you trade is that, so once you have your Bitcoin, trading is all about predicting whether the market is going to go up or down. So right now you're going to be predicting whether the Bitcoin value is going to go up or is it going to go down using the short BTC and long BTC buttons right here. So when you click on that, on the long, that means BTC is going to go up, as they explain right there. And then if it does, it goes up, let's say maybe by $1,000, every $1,000, depending on your deposit that you made. So every $100 that it goes up with, that means you make at least 10% of your money that is in there. So 10% for every $100 that goes up. So the more money that you have, the better the profit is going to be. So I've personally withdrawn about total $49, so let's just say $50 total from this using the bonuses, and now I'm going back in with my own cash that I've deposited personally so that I can actually trade more and just grow my account a little, starting small. So you don't need a lot of money to start with this. This amount of BTC in US dollar value is worth about I think that's what $5 to $10, so it's not a lot of money. If you don't know how to buy bitcoins, you can leave a comment down below or join the Telegram channel, and then you just post your question there and I'll help you out on how you can get your normal currency into Bitcoin so that you can fund your account and start trading with me. So anyways, I'm just gonna go to my trading view. So this is the app that I'm using, so I'm just gonna tilt my screen right there. Okay, so this is the app that I'm using to trade Bitcoin, to see using the strategy to see when to enter according to the strategy that is in the course that is down below. So basically the course teaches you on how to use these 3 indicators that you're seeing on the screen. So this is our Bollinger Band right there, and then this is our parabolic saw. I don't remember what the name of that, the one with the arrows. With the strategy, it's more clearly, as you can see right there, when it hits the bottom Bollinger Band right there, it goes up. So the Bollinger Bands and the parabolic saw have like settings that are provided in the course. So you just take those settings as they are, you put them on any graph, whether it's on your PC, it's on your mobile phone, they work exactly the same. So you don't need to have TradingView. You can do on any chart provider, but I recommend TradingView because it's just simple, it's just straightforward, it's clean, it's one of the best trading platforms. So this application is absolutely free. You can download it on your mobile. On desktop, I wouldn't recommend that you use this one because it won't allow you to add indicators without actually upgrading your account. So on mobile, you can add indicators, which is why I'm using right now on mobile. Just to explain a bit of the strategy, when it hits the bottom and then you see the new dots right there, the parabolic saw dot right there. Let me see if I can get a pen right here, a brush. Okay, so as you can see, let's get it red. Yeah, okay, cool. So when it hits right here, when it hits our bottom Bollinger, and then we have the confirmation that is a reversal that is about to occur, and then we also have our third indication that the market is about to change a direction. Then we place a long. So we then wait for it to hit our target, then we get out of the market with some profits. So remember, as I said, for every $100 increase or decrease on the BTC price, that's 10% profit for you. The more money you invest, the better on this Shortbit bot. And I just showed you how to deposit money to your Shortbit bot within the first few minutes, within the first minutes of this video. Anyways, moving on. So let me just clear this. Let's get back that. Okay. So to show more, let's see at the back. The previous trades where I entered some of these positions. So as you can see, sometimes it will touch. Sometimes it will touch right here at the bottom, but then you don't enter trades because there's no confirmation that there's a trend reversal. As you can see, it's still going down. So basically, that's why I'm saying when you go through the course, at least go through it twice and read the PDF, because they have step-by-step videos that actually teach you how to when to enter trades and when to exit the trades, where to take the profits and so forth. So really just focus on those videos. It took me less than 2 hours to go through all the videos, so I've gone through them like for the third time this week, after purchasing like 2 weeks ago. So the course is really fire, is helping me out a lot. So I just thought, if you guys are interested in learning how to trade forex, stocks, and cryptocurrencies, this is the best course out there, and you can start implementing today, the strategies today. And then let's see for more opportunities. Okay, there's a perfect opportunity right there. I think I probably went in on this trade again. So there are two ways to trade with this strategy. It's either you can do the scalping or you can do long trades, swing trades. They call them swing trades. So scalping is basically just entering trades for quick profits. I'm talking about that 10% and then you exit, or that long term when let's say, as you can see, let's say you had entered your trade somewhere up here because you saw that it was in a downtrend. Then you hold it all the way to where the value is right now. So that means that's quite a lot of money. If you can quickly calculate how many dollars was that drop in dollars. So let's say you entered at 12,480, and then right now the value is around 12,000, a full $1,000. That's 100% of your money back, because remember, every $100 you make 10%. So $1,000 move, that's you doubling your account with this strategy and trading with ShortBit bot, because they have 10x leverage that you'll be using, that you'll be using. So anyways, as I always explain, I just want to explain this also right there. A perfect opportunity right there. As you can see, we had confirmation. It hit the bottom Bollinger Band. We had our reversal parabolic SAR right there, telling us that the market is about to reverse. And then we had our final indication right there of that arrow. So basically, if you had entered the trade right there, you would have made some good amount of return right there. Let's just calculate also that. So if you can see, let's say maybe we caught it right here when all indications were in 11,740 US dollars. And then we went all the way up until when the confirmation was set again, to say that, okay, it's about to reverse. That was at 12,192. So that's about $200-300. That's about 20 to 30% profits that you could have made there scalping this trade. And then you could have entered again back on the trade going down, and then that could have been another long one. As you can see, it just kept on going down. That could have been a swing trade that you could have taken right there. Again, I cannot really explain the whole strategy so that you master it in just this 10-15 minute video. But anyways, I want to keep this short and sweet, just straight to the point, to show you what you can expect trading Bitcoin and how it is. So basically, again, you can join the Telegram channel if you got any questions. I will be more than glad to help you out. The ShortBit bot link for the legit bot is down below. Don't get scammed with these new bots that are just claiming names of the same bot. So the link to the ShortBit bot is down below. It's going to be the first one. And then for the course, for those who are interested in learning this strategy that is making me this amount of money right there. And then I'm going to be making a video later on, I think maybe next week, just update you on how the trade goes for this week. Using that, so I'm gonna see how far I will actually go trading with that amount of money that I just deposited. As you guys saw, as I showed you at the beginning of the video, I'm gonna be making an update on that. So if you guys are interested, check out the links down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications. Check out the Telegram link for our Telegram group down below, where I can help you one-on-one, or if you just want to stay informed with the new ways of making money that we have. The Telegram group is more focus on making money with cryptocurrencies. So if you're interested in making money with cryptocurrencies, that is a group for you. We are not always active, but we share the legit ones when we find them. The legit ones that we've proven that actually work out and pay you without any hassle. So that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, leave a comment down below. I appreciate your time. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.